This is my Wildcard for my soldering iron, which is a ballpoint pen. As you can see, if you press this button right here, ballpoint's up. So this product is very light, it's easy to pick up, easy to hold, you can hold it for a long amount of time. Compared to my soldering iron, it is a similar weight, but I'd say this is lighter because it's got less components and the materials used are lighter. And this product is made using injection moulding, probably out of ABS, which makes it light as well. The ergonomics of this pen is it's easy to hold, it has a rubber grip here, similar to my soldering iron where you hold it, stops your hand from slipping when you're using the pen, similar to the soldering iron, stops your hand from slipping. This does not heat up, so can't attain any temperature, and the cost is around £1, probably less than £1, but soldering irons cost around £10 to £20, so there's a big price difference, but the materials used are quite different, so I can't really compare the price. Similarities are obviously the rubber grip, the way you hold it is similar, the shape of it similar, and also the soldering iron applies heat to solder to melt onto a circuit board. This applies ink to paper to write stuff down, which is similar as well. Also, this part of the pen, this clip, allows you to attach it to pockets. Also, when you're not using your pen, to stop getting ink around, you press this, but you can't do that with a soldering iron because the solder won't get anywhere anyway because you melt on it. So that's my comparison on my Wildcard for my soldering iron.